I am recommending the Behavior and Social Issues Journal housed under the BFSR, or Behaviorists for Social Responsibility. This is through the Applied Behavior Analysis Association International. Go join, be a sustaining member, help save the world. It's a cool group of people whose mission is to go out and help build sustainable practices and find ways to disseminate that information and make it as cheap and affordable and easy for people to do. And I'm just happy to be a part of it. I'm glad that they're out there doing what they do. So consider go checking them out if you're interested in sustainability type issues.
Yes. So my recommendation is music. If you like music, I like music. And if you ever want to reach out to us and talk about music, I am more than happy to talk about music. Both of us enjoy music quite a bit.
Absolutely.
And this is a band that I forgot existed for a while, and then they came back on my radar, and this is a band called Old Man Gloom.
Yay.
Specifically recommend an album called Meditations in B. This is essentially kind of like a extreme metal super group from members of Cave In and Converge and ISIS and all of those bands that came out in the late 90s, early 2000s. They were all very heavy and kind of groundbreaking in the world of extreme music. So Meditations in B is great. The Christmas record is really good. You can't really go wrong with anything, but start with Meditations in B because that is a really great starting point for this band.
Old Man Gloom. That's fun. Okay. I like that name.
It's a great name for a band, right?
It really is. I really enjoy it.
Yeah.
I forgot to mention, I don't usually do this, but as I was talking about BFSR, I forgot to mention, if you're a student, they actually have some grant seed money they're trying to give away to people who are interested in doing sustainability research. So that might be something to check out. They're trying to support students doing some cool stuff.